Hello, my name is Will Rogers, and I'm the president of the Trust for Public Land. The Trust for Public Land is a national nonprofit that works with communities to create parks and protect the lands that they care about. Our organization was created to focus on people, and our goal is to create healthy human habitat, and that means working from the inner city to the wilderness to create all those places where people can connect with nature. When we work with a community, we bring 4 services to the table. We help them identify and then map their conservation priorities. We help them raise the public and private money that it takes to buy land or to create a park. We actually do the complex real estate transactions that bring private land into public ownership. And then we work with the community, often with school children, in a participatory design process that actually designs and builds a park or a playground or a garden. Since our founding 40 years ago, the Trust for Public Land has worked with communities across America to protect over 5,000 special places. We've also helped to create hundreds of gardens, playgrounds, parks, and thousands of miles of trails. In addition, we've worked with communities and worked with states and counties and municipalities to help pass $35 billion in voter-approved conservation funding. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the people that we touch and the communities that we help. And over that period of time, we've put 10 million people within a 10-minute walk of our work. For an organization focused on people and on quality of life in our communities, the exciting news is that cities are investing more and more in parks and open space, and they recognize that without a wonderful park system, you can't have a wonderful city. So the demand for the kind of work that the Trust for Public Land does is accelerating enormously. When I think about the impact of the Trust for Public Land, I think about a ribbon cutting at a school playground in Crown Heights in Brooklyn, where we helped the children renovate a playground into a wonderful green community opportunity available after hours, and how one of the kids who'd been involved in the design process came up to me and said, "Look what we did." It really felt like their playground. The more resources we have, the more opportunities we have, the more people we have working on staff in communities, the more people we're going to be able to touch. And at a time when our cities are growing and getting denser and desperately need parks and open space for livability, we need now more than ever the resources and the partnerships that are going to allow us to increase our impact. Few people are aware of the depth and breadth of our organization. Some people know us as an inner city parks creator. Some people know us as a wilderness protector. But the reality is that we do both. We're working across the American landscape, from our cities, our ranch and farmland and forests, to our wild places, every place, in fact, where people can connect with nature.